Hello there, welcome to another video of SwiftCat. In this video, what I'm going to show you is something new which I found recently. It's nothing but Stitch with Google. So what is Google Stitch? It's a free and AI-powered tool to generate the user interface. And right now it's free of charge. That's the important thing. And also we can design at the speed of AI and transform the ideas into UI designs for the web and mobile applications. We can create a few words of what we need to create or attach the image or simply watch UI designs that come to the life. That's what we are going to look at. So what you need to do is you just can Google or just go type the Google and search for a Stitch with Google or Stitch AI. You should be reaching over here at this page. And what you need to do next is you can just simply start the design. It will go to this page. Before starting the design, let me show you one more thing. If I'm going back, what I can see is there are a few examples that you can find here, which is with the web and the mobile apps. For example, like an indoor plant care dashboard, such things. You can just explore the some examples. It is over here already. And then if I'm going to start the design, there is a new prompt which is available in this page, and it shows that what you need to create. So for example, if you're trying for if you're coming for the first time and if you don't know what to do, it's there are some suggestions you can see, like a daily check in the page for something tracking the app which is having the long sims and moods, something like that, or is it people who live or who love the skying in the app, apps, something like that. So also there are a few examples, as I said before. This is available in the left tab as well. So I already have prepared some kind of prompt which I need to create. So what I'm going to try here is I want to generate a design which is for a mobile food delivery app and to create a live kitchen application, some kind of. Okay, so let me go. And so if you have any ideas of your own what you need to create with the mobile or web, you can try that as well. So before starting that, so there is two options that you can find here, which is a standard mode and also the experimental mode. So what makes the difference is standard mode is nothing but so this is having the model which is a Gemini 2.5 Flash. Which we can create after the design. We can also export it to Figma. So some of the UI designers may be familiar to the Figma. If you're not familiar, doesn't matter. You just create it in whatever mode you like and just generate the designs. That's it, simple. So if you want to export it in Figma and if you want to edit the themes, so I would suggest go for a standard mode. So experimental boards, it's nothing but it's a hi-fi like a Gemini, which is use a model like 2.5 Pro. So it's like an image for the inspiration. It's a some, or else we can just have a suggestion image of what we need to create, something like that. All right, so there are two options. So either you can just click over here button, so add a sketch or a mockup, or if you have a sample, a screenshot of what you need to create, you can just attach it over here, or else you just go and describe yourself for what you need to create on the web or the mobile. So right now I had clicked on the mobile, selected the mobile, and just pasting my prompt what I need to generate, and I'm just going to select this as standard mode. And now let's see, I'm going to click the generate design and see what's going to happen. All right, it would take some time. Hello there. Yeah, here we go. I have got the sections. It was very quick than I thought. It's just like 10 to 15 seconds I could generate these all images or the designs which I need to require, like home screen. So what I suggested is a home screen, live kitchen feed, detail food screen, cart, checkout, and the payment screen. That was my requirement which I have specified over here. So they asked for, yes, do you want to create all of them? I said yes, I want to create all of them. And then add a favorite section to your home screen. If I add this, yeah, if I click on that, it will add a favorite section, also design from the Google Stitch itself. So it's pretty nice and it's very easy and simple. It's very straightforward. If you are new to the design, I would suggest go for it to give it a good try. You don't need to worry about the hi-fi text or codes and nothing else. All right. So I think it's generating the favorite screen. Okay, pretty good. That's also pretty nice. The designs, if you want to edit something else, let me check over here. So there is some adjust the theme. So I would suggest what theme? I would suggest maybe purple color for the theme. So it's purple color for as theme, or maybe it will change the colors and the buttons and all these things, I believe. All right, and now I have here view mobile with view desktop with all these things options, so you can find there create variants. There is something that you can download or copy that to Figma or view code. That's an important thing. So I would like to check how it will look like when it comes to the view code also. So that's design which I was asking, or purple color. It's had it been in as a new screen. And now what I'm going to do over here is, let me click over here. If you want to download, you can download it as well. If you want to copy to Figma, copy. I would just want to see how the view code would look like. So yeah, this is the code which I could generate from the screen. It's pretty very nice, and right now it's available in HTML and CSS, what I think. All right, that's good. And if I go to the design also, I can find here, this is the design screen. If I want to copy the code, if I want to generate the code, I mean, I can just get the code over here. It's very easy, very simple, and easy to use. I just need to copy this code, and if I want to have in the Visual Studio, you can just try it with this HTML and CSS, all these things, and see how it look like. You can give a try over that as well. So that's how it's and if you want to give a good result, if you feel that it's a good result, just click the thumbs up button. That's also pretty nice. And I would like to add one more thing before I wind up. That is, there is a profile section. If you go and search for that, you can find the settings. Before that, I have edited the theme to a purple color. That is available over here in the home screen. So it's asking that apply the purple theme to all screens. So if you want this after viewing the preview of one screen, if you think that okay, this is better, or else you can change the theme to some other color instead of purple, or some other hex code you can just suggest over there. Or else if you find that it's pretty good, so then apply the same code or theme to all screens, so then it will generate the whole screen. So that's pretty nice, and it's very good feature as you think then. All right, so so if you go and click here in the profile section over here, you can find the settings. As I said, it's a stitch settings. Even though if they provide free, I would say that they have some limit in a month. So standard screens, so what I have used so far is 8 screens out of 350. So which means that I'm trying for this for the first time, and in this video I have generated the initial screen. So I have used so far is 8 screens out of 350, and the pro screens, which I believe it's in experimental mode, which I haven't used as so far, so that's why it's 0 out of 200. So this screen limit is available in your settings. So there's, whenever you generate screen, you can go and check how much you have used so far, and there is a limit for this particular month. That's what it shows like. Okay, so even though it's 350 for a standard mode, I would say that it's pretty very good. Even though for a big project, more than 100 screens, it is quite enough to generate the whole designs from this Google Stitch code, isn't it? So like, and also one more thing is allow AI model training. So what it's saying is allow the Google to use your future Stitch conversations to train its generative AI models. So if you don't want to opt this, you can just simply click this uncheck, so that this option won't be available, or else opting out doesn't allow the feedback. But even though if you don't choose to get the conversations as a future in future, if you don't want to prefer your conversation to add to improve their AI models, just uncheck this and go for the save settings and just go over here. Simple. All right, so save settings, that's it. And then if you go and go back, simple. So coming video, I will try to update more things about this Google Stitch with code. I will be providing the link in my video description about this product where you do need to go, and also if any updates coming, I will be taking in the next video. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching, lads.